or anything like that. What it does mean is that spiritually, all the things that they've been doing, the selling and the functions and the makings of money, and they were focusing on money, they were focusing on just getting in the money instead of getting in the souls. It means that all of those things was blocking them from actually doing what the Lord had called them to do. Money's name is Mammon. And when you allow all of this buying and selling in the house of the living God, then Mammon will come into your atmosphere and you will come into church. And at the end of the day, Mammon will block you. Mammon will try to stop you in the actual mission work that the Lord has called you to do, which is praying for the sick and the cripples. Praying for them and making room for them. Wanneer ons te veel fokus op die dinge wat nie saak maak nie. Wanneer ons te veel fokus op net geld invorder vir die kerk. Dit is wanneer dit jou gaan bind en blok in jou eintlike roeping. God het jou nie geroep om 'n beroep te kom doen binne in die kerkie. Dan kan jy maar gebly het by jou werk. Dan kan jy maar vir jou regtig maar gaan werk soek daar buite en bly by die werk en wees besigheid en goeders